Here we go. I am testing out this viral heatless curl device I got on Amazon. Comes with a claw clip to hold it in your hair at night. This is what it looks like after. I am amazed that I got all of my hair onto here. So that's step one, is amazing. I was using these kind of curlers. This is from Shark Tank, the Sleep in Styler, I think. I have another video about it. My kids have been playing with them and kind of ruining them, and also it's like takes forever because there's so many that I have to one at a time roll my hair up into, and I also wasn't able to get all the hair into it, so I was starting to do it to like here and then just having curls on the bottom half, but it was so much work that I almost never did it anymore, and I've lost a bunch of them and my kids have destroyed a bunch of them. So I saw this thing, and the bathrobe curl thing didn't work for me, but I thought this might because it's thicker. And this is a satiny feel, so that's nice, because you know how I feel about satin sleep caps. Very important. It comes with satin scrunchies to hold things on, as well as this very cheap claw clip. So I might repurpose these scrunchies too for other things. So I washed my hair last night. I put in some temporary color. I'm hoping that there's some like pink highlights, maybe a little bit. So let me know if you see any pink highlights, but let's, so I put it in damp, and I hope that I've left it long enough to actually get dry. We're gonna find out. So take the scrunchies off the ends. Definitely got a little bit of curl to it. Look at that. Okay, I feel like that's not gonna last, but it still feels a little bit damp, so I think probably I need to leave it in longer to get the full effect. But that's certainly a lot better than the bathrobe curls did for me, so let's put it back in and see what happens. You can see why I thought this was too short, but it actually did work. Alright, well, I'll check back in this afternoon and see what progress we've made. Alright, I've been wearing these for a couple more hours, so this is as much patience as I have. We're going to see where we're at, and this will be the final result. So, take off the scrunchies, take off the clip, and okay, not bad at all. And that was so easy. Okay, so my favorite way to show off curls is with a little comet twist here. And you know what? We'll use the claw clip that it came with. And there we go. Alright, that was really fun. I'm definitely gonna do curls more often now.